Wasp Freeze Aerosol is the most effective and user-friendly product for rapid wasp nest elimination around homes because it delivers immediate knockdown and sprays from a safe distance. Use a high-quality Wasp Freeze aerosol labeled for wasps and hornets and follow the directions precisely. Wear full protective clothing, including long sleeves, pants, gloves, eye protection, and a face covering before approach. Apply the spray during low activity times such as early morning or after dusk, so most wasps are inside the nest and less aggressive. Stand 6 to 10 feet away and use the product in short bursts aimed at the nest entrance and body to maximize freezing effect and reduce overspray. After waiting at least 24 hours and confirming no activity by watching from a safe distance, carefully dislodge the nest with a long pole or broom and bag it immediately for disposal. If the nest is inside a wall, void, or unreachable high location, combine the aerosol treatment with mechanical exclusion like sealing entry points after removal, or consult a licensed professional for structural access. Common mistakes are getting too close and provoking a mass attack, using inadequate clothing, and assuming a single, quick burst is sufficient. If you get too close, retreat and reassess from a greater distance and use a longer range product. If clothing is inadequate, stop and put on proper protection before resuming. If activity continues after one application, do not keep repeating heavy sprays. Wait the full recommended interval, then reapply targeted bursts and use mechanical removal once activity ceases. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists services relevant to pest control and exterior maintenance. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences, practical tips, and recommended products.